Hiya, I'm here with Genuine Futures, yeah, supporting a young youth, trying to get them back into work and cleaning up the streets of Bolton. We're here today with Squosh It, follow on. They're doing all the squashing the bins down and making it more usable, really, for everybody that works in the flats or stuff like that. And hopefully, we're going to follow around and do all the cleaning afterwards.
Hi there, yeah. Like I say, I'm Stuart. I'm from the company Squosh It, and basically what our duties involve is going round to the local bin stores. We compact the bins, so basically the customer is getting more capacity for their bins. Also, we also tidy the bin store, i.e. if there's any rubbish on the floor, we'll pick that up. The only thing we don't do is, and hopefully it's what Genuine Futures are going to take over doing, is cleaning the bin store, i.e. jet washing, so the floors are nice and clean, and also giving the bins a spray and a jet wash down, which making them more safer and cleaner for tenants to handle. And so from here, it should build up into doing more actually. So yeah, fingers crossed.
And we'll get back to you with another short video at the end. We're going to start it now, have a little walk around, show you the state of it from the start, and then show you the end. See what you like and comment. Genuine Futures.
When the sun breaks through, it's a brand new day. Voices of the youth, we're here to say, together we can change, make this place shine. Every little action, it starts with a line. We got clean futures taking the lead.